Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fruit platter, and if you want to see how I made my vegetable one, I'm going to link it somewhere, I think over here. I'm going to link it, and today I'm doing a fruit platter, and this is the bowl that I'm using, another tray. And here I have mangoes, I have green and purple grapes in here, I have strawberries, chopped bananas, oranges, apples, a little bit of kiwi, blueberries, and 3 tomatoes, and that's what I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to set up the base for my platter and to make sure I have room for all the fruits. So I'm going to do it from here, coming this way, like in this arrangement, and I'll be showing you guys. So let's do it together. The mangoes. The base for the mango is full, so I'm going to go in with something else. And because they are bright, I'm going to go with bananas because they are whitish. Oops. Okay. I'm decided to stay.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Let me love you. Let me love you.
Balancing on a weary line, too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go.
This is what I came up with. It's very simple, just changing and mixing the colors, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try out when you're eating your fruits, when you have guests over. Make sure you tag me or your platters that you try on Instagram at Shirin Tukuna. I'm going to put the tag somewhere over here, or you can look up in the description. Make sure you follow me and tag me over there, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Bye.